we have given diagram, and measure of angle ABC is given by expression 3x, and the measure of angle CBD is given by expression 7x degrees. So what else we have given here? We see that measure of angle DBE is 90 degrees. This red square means that we have here 90 degrees. What else we have here? Because ABC lay on the straight line, it means that angle ABE is straight angle, so this is 180 degrees. So it means that angle ABD is right angle, because we have 180 minus 90, so give us that the angle ABD is right angle too. So we can write that this is 90 degree too. So we can write equation that measure of angle ABD is 90 degrees, and we can rewrite this angle to sum of these two angles because point C is interior point. So measure of angle ABC, measure of angle ABD is equal to measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBD. Now we can substitute measure of angle ABD is 90 degrees, and measure of angle ABC is given by this expression 3x degrees plus measure of angle CBD 7x degrees. Let's forget about degrees first, so let me rewrite equation one more time. We have 90 is equal 3x plus 7x. So we have that 90 is equal 7 plus 3, so this is 10x. Now we will divide both sides by 10. So we have that x, we can change the sides, is equal to 90 divided by 10, so 0 we can reduce, so we have 9 divided by 1 is 9. We have x. So now to find the measure of angle ABC and CBD, we can substitute x by 9, and we will have measures of these angles. So measure of angle ABC is equal 3x degrees, so this is equal 3 times 9 degrees, so this is equal 27 degrees, and measure of angle CBD is equal 7x degrees, so this is equal 7 times 9 degrees, so this is equal 63 degrees. This was one method, or if you have measure of angle ABC, you can subtract from 90 degrees 27 degrees and you will get the same answer. This is my solution.